In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a large dataset or just trying to clean up a small list, finding duplicates quickly can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. To start, we need to identify the range of cells you want to check for duplicates. Simply click and drag your mouse across the cells in Google Sheets to highlight them. This lets Sheets know which area you're focused on. Once you've selected the necessary cells, look towards the top of the screen and click on the Format menu. This will drop down a list of options, and from there you will see Conditional Formatting. Click on that, and a new panel will appear on the right side of your screen. In this new panel, you'll see a section labeled Format Rules. This is where the magic happens. You want to choose Custom Formula Is from the drop-down menu. Selecting this option opens a text box where you'll input the formula that will help us identify and highlight the duplicates. Here's where we'll type a specific formula using COUNTIF. Start by typing an equals sign, followed by COUNTIF, which is all in uppercase. This formula helps us tally occurrences of any specific value in a given range. Next, input the range of cells you've chosen. Make sure to enclose the range with parentheses right after COUNTIF. Adding dollar signs before both the column letter and row number in the range is crucial. These dollar signs convert your range into absolute references, ensuring the formula accurately evaluates each specific cell without shifting when applied across multiple cells. After specifying your range, type a comma followed by the reference to the first cell in your selected range. This directs Google Sheets to start checking for duplicates from that particular cell. Close your parentheses to end the COUNTIF function, and finish your formula with a greater than sign followed by the number 1. The finalized formula will look something like this. Equal COUNTIF, a £1, a £10, a 1, assuming your range stretches from A1 to A10. Of course, replace these references with your specific range. In the Conditional Formatting Rules panel, you'll see an option to choose a formatting style. You can select a paint bucket to pick the highlight color that will appear over any duplicates. You can personalize this with any color that stands out to you, making duplicates easily identifiable. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on Done. And immediately, Google Sheets will highlight all duplicate values within your chosen range. This approach not only cleans up your data, but also helps safeguard you against errors, ensuring every piece of information is accounted for. Congratulations, you've successfully highlighted duplicates in Google Sheets. This handy trick can save you loads of time and reduce the risk of oversight in your spreadsheets, making data management a breeze.